Yeah, today I fixed an old plug with a new plug because this one cannot press anymore. So what I did is you go to the switch at the back and you turn off the power of the whole house, and then you pry out the two little plastic thing at the side using a screwdriver. Take it out, and there will be like two long screws holding the power plug to the wall. And after that, you take a look at the sign here. There's a N for neutral, L for live, and the other one is this one is earth. E for earth is also symbolized by a triangle stripes. So using portable flashlight, because the power is off, there's no lights, you can actually change your plugs. Yay, pretty old. Yay! And now it's working. Yay!